Windows 11 update for September 2023 is out with Copilot, and these tips and tricks will help you get the most out of the chatbot experience. Copilot's best tips and tricks to get started. Although Copilot is easy to use, in this guide, you will learn different tips and tricks to make the best out of the experience, from quickly invoking the chatbot with a simple keyboard shortcut to asking questions with voice, performing different actions, changing settings, restart the AI chatbot, to disable the feature on Windows 11 completely.
If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO.
2. Voice search with Copilot. In addition to using text, you can also use your voice to ask questions or perform different actions. To ask questions with your voice on Copilot, use these steps. Click the Copilot Windows key plus C button on the taskbar. Click the microphone icon on the top right. Copilot voice search. Use your voice to compose a prompt. After you complete the steps, the chatbot will process your voice to determine the query without sending any information to the Microsoft server for better privacy, and then you will get an answer. Also, since the prompt was made using your voice, Copilot will answer the question using text but also using voice, which sounds very similar to an actual human.